Well, thanks again for tuning in. We highlighted this a few minutes ago. NOAA released their outlook for what they are expecting in the months ahead. So in terms of named storms, 13 to 19, the average is 14, 6 to 10 of those becoming hurricanes. Category 3 and above defined as major hurricanes, 3 to 5. But at the end of the day, folks, it's not always about the number of storms. It's about the impact. I want to prove that to you. I'm going to take you back to 1992. In this season, only 7 storms, one of the quietest on record. There was only one major hurricane. Guess who that major hurricane was? Andrew, a storm that they will never forget in southern Florida. Even for us, 3 years ago. In 2022, we had 14 storms. That's in the books as average. But for everybody that went through Ian, our season was far from average. And then on the flip side, 2010, this was a very active year, above average, 19 storms, 12 hurricanes, and 5 major hurricanes. But watch what happens when I filter away the tropical storms. These were the hurricanes, and there was not a single one in the United States. Now, that's in the books as active, but it didn't feel active for those in the United States. So the theme, just takes one to make it seem like a busy year. Today we had some busy weather, especially inland. Take a look at Nocatee, 4.5 inches of rain, had a wind gust of 44 miles an hour in southern Highlands County, and nickel-sized hail in Arcadia. Yeah, there you go. Almost kind of looks like a 10-carat hailstone right there compared to the ring. Yeah, this is from Kerrigan in Arcadia. Thankfully, late tonight, most of the rainfall has weakened. Temperatures upper 70s and lower 80s from Lehigh and extending towards Cape Coral. Partly cloudy and muggy for the beginning of your finally Friday morning. Here's a look at our potential for strong to severe storms tomorrow. Best opportunity will be inland, a level 1 on the 1 to 5 scale. Now, because of that Gulf wind pattern, the better chance of rain tomorrow is going to be especially east of the interstate. You can see that flaring up by 5, 6, and 7. Now, while I do believe most of it will be east of the interstate, can't rule out a little bit to the west. Fingers crossed you see along the coast some of those isolated showers, but hands down, that better opportunity will be for interior Southwest Florida. All of us hot, lower to middle 90s. Here's a look at more chances for rain over the next 7 days. Scattered showers and storms. Finally, rainy season getting going here as we have the opportunity for about 1 to 2 inches of rain over the next 7 days. So here's our forecast, 93, 94 as we hit the weekend, 93 for Memorial Day, 50% chance of storms with more hot weather and those beneficial opportunities for rain into next week.